Alright, so here I'm going to do a demonstration of what this Vortex coil, what I'm currently experimenting with. Alright, so I got no load on my inverter. It's at 0.9. This is a 200 watt incandescent light bulb. Plug it in. This is the base test. So plugging it on, turning it on. We're at 214. This one's a little off comparing to that one. But yeah, 213.9, 214. That's the base with not running through the coil. Let's not do that. Alright, now we're going to swap over light bulbs. Set this right here. Oops. Or I should say swap over sockets. My bad. Alright. Alright, so now I'm going to plug this into here. So now we're going to be running through the coil. It's going to get a little less power because of the resistance running through all that. But anyway, that part doesn't matter. Alright, so now I'm going to show you that plugged in. We're plugged in, lights on, running through the coil, just one side going one direction. And now we are at 207.7, 204 there, but this is more accurate. So 207.6. Now watch what happens when I short the other coil going the other way. There's only like 3.9 volts running through here, so it's not really creating much energy. But now we're shorted. You can see that there's a little bit of a spark, but it's not much. But yeah, now we're shorted. And look, it's a slightly less draw. I don't know why, but it's there. Now I'm unplugging the connection, open circuit. It's not connected. Now I'm going to connect it. It's connected. A slight drawdown. Alright. And that's without it being connected. So for some reason there's a slight improvement by like a watt. There's like a watt difference. Kind of interesting though. This ain't the actual test. This is just I wanted to just see what this would do. I connected it directly to there and it pulled like 2,300 watts directly from the inverter. I'm like, ooh, that's a little too much. And I could feel it. But yeah, that's the first test. Well, there's more to come with this coil because I want to do a lot of experimenting with it. I have two power inverters coming. One's the base one, and then the other one's I'm gonna be powering. It's a low frequency power inverter. I'm gonna power one set of the coil, and the output is gonna be that. I want to see what the difference is between a standard low frequency. This is a high frequency inverter, but I want to see the difference between the standard transformer and this as a comparison, what the output difference is, and then what happens when you short this. Is there a difference in efficiency or not? Yeah, it'd be interesting. Alright, I'll turn this off, and that's all she wrote. And I'll see you in the next video.